spectroscopy utilizes laser excitation to analyze molecular vibrational spectra, enabling accurate determination of material composition and concentration. This technique provides researchers with a powerful analytical tool. Confocal Raman imaging microscope with its ultra-high spatial resolution, ultra-high spectral resolution, and real-time imaging capabilities, combined with non-contact, non-destructive, rapid, and accurate measurement features, has become indispensable in the fields of chemistry, biology, materials science, and semiconductors. The ATR8800 True Confocal Raman imaging microscope, developed by Optosky, leverages over 20 years of expertise in Raman spectrometer design, following more than 5 years of intensive research and optimization, and stringent validation by Raman spectroscopy experts and scholars. It has garnered high praise from the scientific research community. The ATR8800 offers multiple excitation wavelengths, ranging from the ultraviolet to the near-infrared spectrum, including 266, 325, 405, 532, 638, 785, and 1064 nanometers. A single instrument can be configured with up to 4 different excitation wavelengths. Different samples require different excitation wavelengths for testing to achieve optimal results. ATR8800 provides the most options, making it capable of meeting virtually all testing needs with a single instrument. The grating spectrometer is one of the core components of True Confocal Raman imaging microscope. The ATR8800 is equipped with Optosky's independently developed next-generation intelligent grating spectrometer. It offers various focal lengths and resolutions, with focal lengths of 350 mm, 510 mm, and 810 mm, and resolutions reaching 1.3, 0.9, and 0.5 wave numbers, respectively. The ATR8800 boasts extremely high sensitivity, featuring a large 76 mm by 76 mm rotating grating. This design increased the received Raman signal by 35% compared to competitors. Additionally, the ATR8800 employs an all-free space optical design, which improved efficiency by 60% compared to traditional fiber-coupled optics. The ATR8800 also integrates a series of advanced intelligent algorithms. Among them, the automatic spectrum stitching algorithm can stitch high-resolution spectra from different bands, thus obtaining spectra that combine the advantages of wide bandwidth and high resolution. Furthermore, the ATR8800 incorporates a large image automatic stitching technology, capable of automatically stitching over 10,000 images. It can automatically recognize feature points in the images and stitch them into a single large image, allowing for the testing of large samples up to 10 by 10 centimeters. Also, the Raman spectral information is integrated into the large image, enabling users to view the spectral data at any time. The ATR8800 also features ultra-fast, real-time autofocus technology, which can automatically measure the sample distance and perform rapid focusing. This significantly enhances the accuracy of experiments. For uneven samples, the ATR8800 can perform real-time autofocus, ensuring accurate Raman signals for each local area. Additionally, the ATR8800 incorporates advanced depth of field fusion algorithm processing technology, which merges images from different focal positions into a single clear image. This improves image clarity and resolution, aiding in a more comprehensive observation of the sample's morphology and structure. The ATR8800 utilizes advanced laser true confocal technology to achieve micron-sized spots, enabling fine scanning and analysis of small samples, such as single cells, with spatial resolution down to the sub-micron level. Additionally, the ATR8800 employs pinhole true confocal technology to obtain extremely pure Raman signals, allowing for in-depth tomographic analysis of samples, with axial spatial resolution as high as 2.5 micrometers. The ATR8800 also features a highly integrated design. All lasers, optical components, spectrometers, and controllers are integrated into the main unit. The entire system operates with a single USB cable, with all components under intelligent control, significantly reducing the likelihood of faults and enhancing reliability. The ATR8800 micrometers features an automatic enclosed chamber that effectively prevents stray light, eliminating the need to turn off the lights during experiments. The ATR8800 has been widely used in various application fields, including chemical synthesis characterization, rapid disease screening, nano-two-dimensional materials, semiconductor defect analysis, new drug development, lithium-ion batteries, jewelry identification, archaeological research, and so on. The ATR8800 is not limited by imported components, allowing for fast delivery times, efficient fulfillment, and quick response. It also provides professional training to help users quickly familiarize themselves with and utilize the ATR8800. Independently developed, the ATR8800 holds over 10 patented technologies and has received numerous honors, including the second Prize of Science and Technology, Progress in Fujian Province, the Antop Technology Breakthrough Award, the first China Jinsu Award, one of China's top 10 optical industry technologies, and the title of Excellent Domestic Instrument. As an internationally leading and domestically dominant provider of Raman spectrometers, Optosky boasts a team of over 300 members, including more than 180 experienced R&D engineers. Across the country, Optosky has established 6 R&D centers and over 20 offices, enabling rapid response to customer needs and providing 24/7 online after-sales service.